Morning, everyone. Yes. So this is level 3 applied, and my students have been practicing for a week and a bit. They're very much looking forward to presenting something to you today. So they're going to talk about the reasons they are studying English at WIE, or English, and then they're going to talk about their dreams afterwards, what they want to do with that English afterwards. Yes? The first one is Asha.
Hello everyone, my name is Asha. I'm from Africa. Today I would like to talk about my dream. My dream is to finish English, to become fluency, and a good speaker English. The other thing I learn in English, I need to talk to my children, because sometimes when they talk in each other, I don't understand some words, and I need to understand every single word that they're talking. And also I need to talk about teachers from the school. That's my dream to finish English. Thank you guys.
Hello everyone, my name is Mai. I'm from Cambodia. I live in here more than 7 years, and I learn English because I want to have my own bakery. That's why I'm here.
Yes. Hi everyone, my name is Yan. I'm from China. My dream is can speak English fluently in the future, because I want to talk to my son's teacher and talk to my local neighbors. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Masuma and I'm from Afghanistan, and I have been living here 3.5 years, and today I would like to talk about my dreams. Thank you for giving me a chance to talk about it, and I have a career that I want to be a dentist in the future, and because I like this subject, because my family every time they encourage me to study this subject, and I want to do this in the future, and it's helping me. It will help me to study this to help others and give me a best opportunity to help others as well. Thank you for
Jocelyn.
Hello everyone, I'm Jocelyn. I come from China, and I have been studying English for 6 months. And my dream is stay in New Zealand. So when I finish English, I'm going to university and learn about business subject. And after finish university, I will find a job and stay in New Zealand with my family, and because I have a son, and I hope he has a good environment to grow up. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Katie. I'm from Colombia. Today I'm going to speak about my dream. I want to improve English because I want to study. I thank you for this.
Derek.
Hello everyone, my name is Derek. I'm from China. My dream is to become a designer. If I finish WIE study, I would like to go to university to study
Architecture.
Because building a good house can change people's lifestyle. I will realize my dream. Thanks for.
Okay, we have Gap.
Hello everyone, my name is Gap. I come from Laos. Today I'm going to talk about my future. I want to go to a university and I want to get a graduation. Then I want to go back to my country and do my own business. Finally, I want to be successful in my job in the future.
Chandra.
Hello guys, my name is Chandra. I'm from Cambodia. Yes, everyone has dream. The man and has a dream too. And I study here I want to speak English fluent, and when I finish level 4, I go to Wintek to study bakery to become baker. Yes, I do my best to become my dream come true. Thank you.
Xin chào. Hi everyone, my name is Lan. I'm from Vietnam. Today I would like to talk about my dream. I speak English very well because I got two grandchildren. They were born in New Zealand, so they don't speak Vietnamese. So they ask me so many questions every day for English. So I hope my English better. I will answer them questions. Thank you.